Okay, let's see the exercise. Listen, actually this exercise is going to be very interesting. It's like a game. Listen, look here. Unscramble each word. Write the correct word on the line. You see, actually this is a bone, but this is not a correct spelling for the bone. So we have to unscramble the word and we are going to write here. Okay, let's see. Bone. Yes, first then Bobby. O, bone, N, yes, N, then E, bone. Very good. Let's see the next picture. This is a bike. Bike. Okay, let's arrange it correctly. Unscramble it. B, I, K, E. Bike. Very good. And this is a gate, isn't it? This is a gate. Just unscramble the word gate, gate, t. Okay, now let's see. This is a cake. Yes, you all love cake. Yes, I too love cake very much. I love fresh cream cakes. Did you? Okay, children. Let's unscramble the word cake. K sound, isn't it? That is a C-A. Cake. Cake. Very good. Let's move to the next picture. This is a time. These are not clock, but they are given a time. Time. Okay, this is a wave. Okay, this is a wave. In see, you are seeing the wave. No, that is a wave. 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 Okay, then let's see this. This is a tube. Tube. T sound. This is a T. Tube. B. Tube. This is a robe. After bathing, we used to wear a robe, isn't it? Yes. Robe. 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 Okay. This is a bone. B-O-N-E, bone. This is a bike. B-I-K-E, bike. This is a gate. G-A-T-E, gate. This is a cake. C-A-K-E, cake. This is a time. T-I-M-E, time. This is wave. W-A-V-E, wave. This is tube. T-U-B-E, tube. This is robe. R-O-B-E, robe. Okay, let's move to the next exercise, children.